Hi students, MCQ number 13. The instantaneous values of alternating current and voltage in a circuit are given as I equal to 1 by root 2 into sine of 100 pi into t and voltage V equal to 1 by root 2 into sine of 100 pi t plus pi by 3. The average power consumed in the circuit is to be determined. Now you can look at the two equations. The instantaneous current is given by I is equal to I maximum into sine of omega t. That equation is there, is it not? Then here the voltage is instantaneous value is given by 1 by root 2, that is V equal to V maximum into sine of omega t plus phase difference phi. So voltage is leading the current. Voltage is leading the current by a phase angle pi by 3. So here what are all the quantities given? The maximum value of the current. Okay, the maximum value of the current is given. So this is I maximum. I maximum is equal to 1 by root 2 is given. Then maximum value of the voltage. So V maximum is also 1 by root 2 is given. Then the phase difference between the current and the voltage is pi by 3. So this is equal to 180 by 3, that is equal to 60 degree. First you will have to write like this. Okay, now what is the average power? The average power has to be determined. So P average is equal to I RMS, okay, into V RMS into cos phi. Cos phi is the power factor and phi is the phase difference between the current and the voltage. So this is the average power. Now V maximum is given. From that we can find out V RMS. Like that I maximum, from that I can determine I RMS. So first from this value I can find I RMS. So I RMS is equal to what? I maximum divided by square root of 2. So this is now equal to I maximum is already 1 by root 2 is there, is it not? So this is 1 by root 2 divided by another root 2 is there, so that this is now equal to what? 1 by 2. So here understanding is required. Quickly when we substitute 1 by root 2, we may forget, is it not? So it has to be divided once again by root 2. So 1 by root 2 divided by root 2 becomes 1 by 2. In the same way, now what is V RMS? So V RMS also is equal to 1 divided by root 2, okay, into root 2. So this also is equal to what? 1 by 2. Then what is cos 60? Cos 60 is also is equal to 1 by 2. Understand? So IRMS is also 1 by 2. VRMS also is 1 by 2. Cos phi also is 1 by 2. Therefore, the average value of power is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Again multiplied by 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. So what is the correct option? The last option D. So this is 1 by 8 watt. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you must have understood that. Fine.